Hi everybody, my name is Soto. In these videos I talk about um, the Airbus airplane A380, um, where, uh, the invention of this aircraft is due to both the weapons of war, modern nature, and objects of the house as it does to high technology. In the video you can see how a bicycle pump, a rocket, 18th century, and as a Mongolian bow and the wing of eagle become a reference for the development of the world's largest aircraft. So first of all, let's talk a little about the dimensions of the A380. These aircraft cabins are 22 feet wide and 164 feet long, which a capacity to carry is 853 passengers, 65% more than the closer competitor. The A380 has the capacity to load up to 617 tons. That's a lot of weight. Their wings are so big everyone has the capacity to house the capacity to 70 house family cars could park on each one. In total, the two wings have the length of a football field player. To test the proper functioning of the wings, pilot tests are done in artificial wings tunnels that simulate the speed, temperature, and pressure to which they must be submit the A380 wings in flying. But with the hot launched wings, Airbus engineers had to find a way to keep and use the wings. It's here where there is a connection with the wings of an eagle. Experts in aerodynamics design and make planes based in flying styles of an eagle due to it due to its similarity in large wings that allow uh, achieve maximum elevation within few moments. The discovery was maybe an experiment that involved placing cameras in the wing of the eagles, okay? To record and then analyze how this use its wings as does the direction change for the eagles. What more? There is though that the result of studies with the eagles are very important for Airbus because without this restriction in size should be about 10 feet long. One more. Okay. Another another problem they faced the engineers was to the great weight of the aircraft fuselage, taking into account that the more weight, more full, most more ingenious for it was tough in a material that is present in all aircraft, the aluminium. But tough testing is found that aluminium is stiff enough but not strong enough to withstand high velocity impact of a bird or of sometimes similar. Um, to solve the problem back to an ancient arch used by the Mongols in was made with the tendons um, is above uh, uh, was is above that was did or tendons of the hind legs of a serpent and the horn of buffalo. This combination provides fiber with high elasticity and resistance. This experiment makes you think of a material that is lightweight and highly resistant, and this is where comes an option glass. Glass can get loud enough that can help you survive the explosion of a bomb. The fiberglass is extremely strong and light. Uh, to use fiberglass, many tiers of fiber combined with aluminum are woven to form the layers of the A380 fuselage, achieving a lightweight and highly resistant upside. Like the Mongolian bow tendons grow combined with buffalo horns. Okay. Another major problem that that have or that had the A380 that arise with such a length, uh, a heavy as in the structure is at the time of takeoff, and the takeoff. For it is the engineers were based on a primitive rocket design in the 19th century. This rocket is use this rocket use gas and compressed air. The idea of Airbus engineers is to use ambient airs and compressed airs to fill the compartments of the aircraft and to take off like a balloon, big balloon globe. To caution, the fall when landing, Airbus engineers use a variety of buffers whose creation comes from the idea of putting several bicycle pumps to break the fall of a heavy object. Thus, we can see the engineers use common and rare mechanisms that are based on invention already established or use everyday things, common things to achieve a great invention to develop. Um, as is the case is This is the case of the world large aircraft, the A380. This is all. Thanks for your attention. Bye.